Are your exams coming soon? Have you prepared well for it? You know, even if you have studied day and night for your exams, your performance may not be as good as you think. Do you know why? It can be anything like a lack of sleep, not giving enough rest to your body, and even due to pressure. But you are not the only one who suffers from these problems. A lot of students face these issues when their exams are nearer. To give excellent performance in your exam, I am going to tell you the do's and don'ts that you should remember before the day of the exam. The first thing you do when you wake up is study. You get so immersed in studies that you may even forget to eat your breakfast. It can greatly affect your health as well as your mental capabilities, thus affecting your studies. If your body does not get the energy that it needs, then how you will be able to concentrate on your studies? To increase your concentration power, you should avoid skipping your breakfast. By doing so, you will feel more energetic throughout the day. Not only you will feel energetic, but your ability to study will also increase significantly. So always eat your breakfast in the morning. However, you should never overeat, especially the night before the exam. If you do not watch what you eat the night before the exam, you may feel sleepy during the exam. The worst case scenario, you may have difficulty concentrating on your exams. You should avoid consuming fast food or fried foods as they will hinder your ability to perform well. The best way to make sure that you are full of energy during the exam is to eat healthy foods like vegetables and fruits. Since fruits and vegetables are rich in nutrients and proteins, your metabolism will be higher. So you won't feel hungry for a very long time. Apart from food, getting proper sleep is also important. If you are thinking that sleeping for too long before the exams will increase your performance, then you are wrong. It will only reduce your memory power and you won't be able to focus on the exams properly. You know why? As per the research conducted by the scientists, it has been found that person needs about 8 hours of sleep in a day. So, if you sleep more than 8 hours, then it can affect your mental health. However, that doesn't mean you do not sleep at all. Many students make the mistake of not sleeping at all the day before the exam. They think that by revising the whole syllabus before the exam will help them secure excellent marks. But you will be surprised to know that such students will perform pretty bad. It is because during the exams, these students feel sleepy. Thus, they are unable to focus on the exams. You don't want that to happen to you, do you? When I say that sleeping too much is bad for you, doesn't mean that sleeping less will benefit you. You see, a human body needs to rest to recover from the day-long stress. If you don't get enough time to rest, your brain will eventually overload just like a computer. So you should get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep before the exam. Now it is time to tell you how you can prepare well for your exam. You know, most of the students try to compare themselves with other students like toppers who are good at studying. If you are also doing the same, then I suggest you to stop doing that. If you try to follow the topper students, you are not going to get any better. Do you know why? Well, every student has their way of understanding things. Your way of studying is unique to you. Studying is personal, as it is up to you as to how you remember the things and how well you understand. So, stop comparing yourself with others. Another common mistake that students make is that they let fear and anxiety control their emotions. This makes them forget things that have learned. Yes, I know that exam time is one of the most stressful times for students. After all, you prepare and study for an entire year just to test your capabilities in the exams. But when the time comes, you will feel anxious because of the immense pressure of the exam. I suggest you to watch one of my video on 5 ways not to forget in the exam hall. Click the link above or check for the link in the description. Watch and I guarantee you that you will attend the exam confidently without any fear. However, even after studying every topic, you may not score well enough in your exam. Do you know why? It's because your concept about the topic is not clear. Even if you study day and night, it won't make any difference if your concepts are not clear. Do not try to memorize everything. When the time comes, you will forget about the topic and be unable to solve the questions. You know, there is a saying, study smart, not hard. So rather than spending so much time memorizing the topic, you should try to understand the topic. If you want to know how to understand and study, watch my video called SQ4R method. Click the link above or check for the link below in the description. However, if you are studying the day before the exam, then it is better to skip the topic and revise the topics you have already understood better. Even if you are unable to complete the entire syllabus before the exam, you should not lose your confidence in yourself. Just focus on the topics that you have studied and revise them again and again. After all, it is better to have something rather than nothing. So believe in yourself and continue your preparations for the exam. I know that during the exam, students lose confidence because they are unable to answer the questions. If you also feel the same, then I suggest you stop doing that. If you lose confidence in yourself, you won't even able to answer the questions properly. So, the day before the exam, you need to be confident. Just keep revising the topics you have completed already. However, that doesn't necessarily mean that you will keep on studying until the moment you enter the exam hall. Doing so is not going to help you in any way. If you have prepared well for the exam, you are not going to forget everything at the last moment. You need to have some fresh air before the exam to free your mind. Just calm yourself and take a deep breath. There is no need to study until the moment the exam starts. If you overdo it, your brain will be stressed from too much studying. So what I am trying to say is that you need to relax before the exam. Putting too much stress on the mind will affect your ability to perform in the exam. However, that does not mean that you should completely chill out. You will only get distracted if you do so. The thing is that if you get distracted before your exams, you are going to have bad performance. Do you know why? It's because your mind will be waiting for the exams to complete so that you can leave and do whatever you want. The day before the exam, you should relax and clear your mind from any kind of stress. But if you get distracted, your mind will change its focus from studies to other things. Trust me, you don't want to think about stuff other than studies during the exam. So keep the distractions at bay and keep your mind focused on studies. If you think this video is helpful, then comment, like, share with your friends and consider subscribing this channel. See you next week with my another video.